we have text at the left and number at the right, somehow we need to write a formula to extract all the names from the left side of our number. So here in cell A2 is a mixed cell with alphabet and number, and in cell B2 we need to extract all the names from these numbers. Let's get started. Here we need to write a formula. We need to somehow calculate the first number from this range and then extract everything from the left. To do that, we can use the find function, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we construct a formula and solve a problem. I'm going to write here equal to and then write find. I need to find all the numbers. So let's add curly brackets, and inside it I'm going to write all the numbers that is possible. So I'm going to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now this is the possible number 0 to 9, and we have added curly brackets, so we added it inside an array. Now let's add a comma, and the second parameter is within text, which is cell A2. And if I close parenthesis and press enter, we get an array where we don't have all the characters inside our cell, hence we get errors. But we have 1 at the 9th character. If I count it from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so if we get the minimum number location from this range, we will get the first number that we have. Okay, so if we wrap this up with the main function, it should work, but it will give us an error because main function cannot process any error inside it. So if I press enter, we will get an error. So how we can remove this error? If we somehow add all these numbers inside our text. So here in this formula, find, within text will be A2. Let's add an ampersand, and within double quotation let's write all the numbers and quotation close. If I press enter, we will not get any error, and we found minimum number 5. So here if we count here 1, 2, 3, 4, at the 5th character we have our number. Now if I somehow extract everything from this character, we will get our name. So I'm going to add the left function from here because all the text are at the right side. Here is our cell, add comma, and let's press enter. And we can see we have added a number also. So we are going to deduct 1 and press enter. So here using this formula, we can extract names from alphanumeric cell where the alphabet are at the left of our cell. So if I double click here, it will autofill.